Hello, good morning. James Braithwaite here, and I am test driving my potential new van. I'm parked up here on a lay-by at the minute, but as you can see, this one is yellow and it's up for £1,000. But the guy's welcoming Part X's. This one's a club spec 1.7. Nice smooth back and everything else. It's from an auction, it's an ex-plant thing, and I'll just whack it in a neutral while I'm talking about it. And also it does feel very nice, and it's only a 1.7. 157,000 miles, which again probably isn't worth much of a carrot for one of these. Lecky windows, 6 forward gears, and probably used to have a Bluetooth in it, but not anymore. That probably got grubbed out, unless it was the intercom system that the plant contractors had. It's a bit filthy on the outside, but I'm no stranger to changing van liveries. So let's see if I can pop this camera to get the damn thing to stay still while we drive. I think that might be a hiding to nothing, to be honest, but okay. It does feel much higher and a lot more spacious than the van I drive right now, the ex-police job. So just taking it quite easy. This has been languishing for a bit, but it does feel very, very nice. Quite much lighter steering than my old van. And this one's up for sale for £1,000. So it's much better visibility and well, not visibility very much, but certainly much roomier in the cab than the Astra G was.